What's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to clean your dryer vent system. I actually picked up this Linteater dryer vent cleaning system. I'm excited to try it out. I actually picked up some extensions here as well. This is a 12-foot extension kit. It comes with 12 feet. And what that is, it's a brush that will get in there and clean up all that lint and junk that's in there. It's got even a blockage removal tool here and some other attachments as well. But of course it tells you why you want to do this: reduce the risk of fire, reduce drying time, save some money on your utility bills, and increase the life of your dryer. We'll get this open and pull out the dryer and get started. So with the dryer on, everything's getting hot, but we're not getting the airflow that we should. It's taking a long time for clothes to dry. There's some, you can see that there's lint built up over here on the side as well, and we'll get the dryer pulled out here in a minute. Also just wanted to show you outside that the flap or the door on the vent is not even moving, so let's go out and take a look. So there's our vent. We've got a little bit of airflow, but obviously you can see that it's all gummed up with some lint as well. So we'll get it cleaned out here in just a minute. So the first thing we need to do is unplug the dryer and pull it out so we can disconnect that vent. You can see we've got some lint kind of blowing all over the place here, but let's just take off this hose first. Of course, we'll clean that out as well. This is also a little lint trap down here. You'll notice when we get this cleaning that might some debris might fall down in there as well. Here's the brush that attaches, screws to the end, and then I'm going to use this attachment here. This little plug right here comes out. And I'm going to hook up a shop vac on this side while we run it up in there, and we'll run the brush and those rods through this hole here. And while we're running that, we'll run the shop vac. And what I've done is I've actually completely emptied out this shop vac. I just wanted to show you before and after so we can see what kind of lint we end up with in there. Comes included with this little reducer if you need a smaller diameter, but our shop vac fits right into there. So there's our shop vac hose connected there. We're going to get this started. Just thread the brush onto the end of one of these rods here. Now the important thing on this is you never want to reverse your drill. Never. Even when you're coming back out, only go clockwise. So this one goes straight up, and we're going to get that started here. Now we've got extra rods as well, which we may need on this one because this is a pretty long run. But we're gonna just put the drill on the end of this, and in this case, this one is just attach our drill there, and just kind of do it on a low speed. I'm gonna set the drill to number 1 instead of 2 here. Just kind of hit that a little bit back and forth to clean this part of the vent. Then disconnect the drill. I'm going to add another length here. And it's kind of a funky angle, but just line that up, thread that on. The instructions say that you can put some duct tape on each one of these joints if you're prone to accidentally reversing your drill. But I think we'll be alright here. Let's just push that through. Put the drill on it again, and just same thing, just kind of run that in there, back and forth, and we're going to add another rod. Now what we're going to do is kick the vacuum on, and we're just going to let it run while we do this, and so I'll probably have to mute the sound, but you're just going to see me adding these rods and continuing with this drill. Okay, I've got the vacuum off so you can kind of see what we're doing here. So we've kind of hit probably a turn, because this vent in this house goes up to the ceiling and then goes out, and I think we're stuck right there. But you just kind of go slow, use that drill, not a real high speed. There, I think we just got past it. Okay, and then we can Just continue to add some pieces here, just like a regular snake. Just kind of use that momentum and twisting on the drill. Get that in there. There it goes. Okay, so I've been fighting with this for a little bit, and 5 lengths is about as far as I can get in here. You can see it's actually these, see, you can see right here, it's actually just starting to twist up on itself. I'm going to disconnect the drill and see if we can't pull that out. There we go. So that's a good heads up to everybody. This one these rods are so flexible that they started twisting up right inside the wall here. So we got pretty far, but we may have only gotten to the ceiling or just past that turn. And I think what we'll do, we've gotten a lot more lint here though too, and down here as well, another handful. But I think what we're going to do is also take this outside and do the same thing going the other direction. Now before I go set this up outside, I'm going to put this back in here. Now I've put this plug into that little hole where we were running the snake, and then hooking up our vacuum. Now of course I need to cover this here as well. So now we're going to turn the vacuum on and go run the brush and the snake through the other end. Okay, so we're out here outside, and you know, again, we can get a lot of this lint just by grabbing it. Just pulling that out, and that's what was in there. We're gonna lift this lid right here, this little flap, and get the snake, the brush in here. Just get it started in there. And that's really easy, so I think I'm going to connect a few lengths and then put the drill on it. Okay, so I've got 3 lengths on here with the brush, and there we go. Now we're getting into the duct. So we're going to turn the vacuum on now and pick up as much of that lint as we can through here. Okay, I think we can add some other lengths on here now. Just be careful when you've got this pulled out. You don't want to go too fast. It'll kind of twist up on you. But here I've got 4 lengths now going in from this side. Just like a snake, just kind of work that back and forth there. And we're either at a corner or something where it's not wanting me to go past that. I don't think it's a blockage, I think it's just a corner. Oh, there, I think we got past the corner now. Okay, I'm going to add a 5th length. Yeah, we're definitely got past whatever blockage or corner we were at. That's going in there nicely. I think we'll go ahead and try number 6. And we'll put the drill back on here. And that looks like that's about as far as we can go. So I'm just going to
brush it as we come out.
Yeah, I'm going to spin it as we come out. And these pieces kind of get locked together. So we'll just unscrew this last piece here. And I just want to run the drill kind of a little bit higher speed here. Try to clean everything out that's up in here. And there's your money shot right there. So we got a lot more lint and debris out of here. So here I'm just clearing everything else that I can out and around here, around this door. make sure that it's operating freely as well. You can use a brush for this. Probably wear some gloves. Got a little sharp edge right there. Well, there you go. Let's go take a look at that shop vac and see how much stuff we got out of there. Just take out that plug. Now before I put this vent hose back on, the nice thing is this kit also comes with this little manual brush. Let me just kind of show you what that looks like. And I've got that connected on one of these rods, and I'm going to use that to just kind of clean out this hose here. Got that nice and clean now, ready to go back on. And then we can put the hose back on. Sometimes it's helpful to put some duct tape over this as well, which will seal it a little bit and prevent you from shooting lint out all over the wall like this. Okay, and then we just gotta line this up with our vent over there. I'm sorry, the lighting's not the best here, but we just gotta get this dryer back far enough. This is sometimes tricky. We just need to line this hose up here with the outlet on the dryer here. There we go. And then once you got the lower hose on there, or the hose back on the dryer, then we can push the dryer back. Just got to be careful not to kink that hose. I know there's not very good lighting here, but hopefully you can see that that's all attached and ready to go. And we can plug the dryer back in. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Now I just noticed that little cap right there on the little lint clean out is blowing loose. We're going to get some tape and see if we can't tape that off. Sometimes those have a screw or a set screw to hold them closed. This one does not, so I am going to put a little bit of this tape on here just to try to get that to stay closed, because right now with the pressure of the dryer it's blowing open. That's part of our issue here, where we've got so much lint all over the wall. That should do it. And just like that, that's working the way it should. Let's go take a look at the vent outside. And there you can see that the door is wide open, working just like it should. Okay, so everything's back together working well, but I just wanted to take a look in here and show you how much lint we got out of that line. This shop vac was completely empty, and now we're about a third of the way full actually. Gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with this product. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. Hope you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. But thanks so much for watching, and good luck.